Hey guys, Joffrey Ward here, and I'm going to teach you how to make free PayPal money. I just went and got a PayPal payout from an app called Pay, and I just did it literally a minute ago, and it should be already in here in about 2 minutes. Luckily, my internet is going slow, so you guys are going to be able to see it as it's coming up right now. I actually go to my phone if it start acting funny, but it shouldn't because PayPal should just pop on up real quick. If you want to learn how to make some free PayPal money, not only am I going to show you how to make it, I'm actually going to show you how you can automate the whole thing, where you can get people to post in groups for you, and where to find that stuff at. So let me just hit refresh. For some reason, my internet is acting super slow today. Give it a second. Guys, I got to give it a second. It's slow to load. Okay, here it's pulling up right now. And like I said, logging in right in front of you guys. None of the BS. Here is Pay right here. Pay is an app that pays you free PayPal money by getting cash back. You guys wanted to see it live? There it is, right there, live, $20, just right there in front of you guys. Before I go ahead and get started, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you comment how much money you want to make in PayPal money below, you automatically enter into a contest where I give away free PayPal money each and every month. So if that's something that interests you, you definitely want to go ahead and comment that. Comment your goals, comment with how much you want to make. I'm a real person. I'm nothing fake about me. I'm just a guy that, make money off wacky apps, a guy that learned how to generate an affiliate income for free, learn how to generate an affiliate income by purchasing stuff. And sorry about this. They want to learn. They want to see different things. I'm doing this video on the fly. This is my second video today. If you haven't checked out my other video, I link it back to it. But I wasn't supposed to be doing another video today, by the way. But I'm doing it because when you get proof, you should basically show it and actually inspire other people that that they can do the same. I used to watch videos like this all the time, and it would inspire me, and Lord and behold, I'm making my own money now. So I hope this isn't to inspire you and to motivate you. It's not to brag or whatever, because if I really wanted to brag, I could bring up some other stuff. But $20 is compared to what I've currently been making since the beginning of May, and today is the 1st, is nothing. But let me just show you how to make the free PayPal money. I'm on my phone right now. You can see my phone right here. Nothing to spice up at, but I have a regular LG. But I just withdraw the PayPal money just that quickly right in front of you guys. You can refer people to this app, and you can earn money with this app. You can also earn cash back. So what you will basically do is you basically need to go get a card that you've already linked to Dosh. So if you guys joined me in Dosh, this is basically the same type of app, but only you have way more, and I do mean way more, places in here that you can shop at that Dosh doesn't have, from Subway to Walgreens and everything else. So once you start referring people in here, and once you link a card, you're then qualified to get your first $5 bonus. So your first $5 bonus comes when you link your first card. So I have a link in the description below where you can get your first $5. You don't have to even do anything to get your first $5 except link a card. I already have a link that's already ready for you guys to go. So once you click that link, go over there and you link a card, you're going to get $5 right here in your account. It's going to say 500 points earned, which is $5 in in US dollars. And they also do Bitcoins, which is really cool. Okay. But it's just a basic cashback app. You just basically earn money, when you link your card to this app. You just earn money just by going to these places, using your card at that place. Really, really simple. They have more places than Dosh, so you just go in there and do the same thing. And that's no shade at Dosh, because Dosh is really good as well. You can use both of them in conjunction. Matter of fact, let me go over to Dosh and just show you what I got this morning. So people talk about making $100 online a day, and different things of that nature. This morning, in my wallet, you see it's $5 right there as we're talking right now. If I go down, I process $40 directly to my Venmo account, and if I go over to my Venmo account, you can see that I constantly get paid from Dosh over and over again. Venmo is like PayPal, basically the same thing. you know, constantly getting paid by Dash. And like I said, same thing with Dash. You earn $5 per person that you refer. On Pay, you earn $5 per person that you refer. But when you use these links, the links that I'm going to have in the description below, you get a $5 bonus. Simple as that. Really, really simple. And you know, we haven't even talked about Society. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and get a payout right here while I'm on Society and show it to you guys. So, you know, this is live payment proof. This is PayPal payment proof right in front of you guys directly, you know, on this video. So I'm gonna wait for this app to load up. Society is an app that you can just play TV games, and the more questions you get right, the bigger piece of the pot. They give away actual cash. They put the actual cash in your wallet, and you then take that money, you transfer it to PayPal, or you can get an Amazon gift card if this app would actually load up. And I'll see it's not gonna load up. Yeah, but I have $93 in there. You can see some of my previous videos where I show you PayPal payment proof of, you know, Society. But that's it. I'm referring people using, and let me pull up my document real quick. I'm referring people using Facebook, and it's not like I'm doing that anymore because I have somebody posting that for me. So you can go over here to Fiverr. You can pay $5 for somebody to actually let me pull this up. I don't know which one had my method on it. Sorry about this, guys. You know, like I said, I wasn't going to do another video today. I'm just going to pull one of them up. These are some more apps as well, and you know, you can get the link to this app and these apps in my other video, where it's the actual document where you can actually come in here and just click on these links and download them. But today we're just talking about Pay and Dash, and we're gonna throw Dash in there because they both the same. They both have the same referral system where you earn $5 per person. But basically on the other document, I had basically posting in Facebook group, Instagram groups, not Instagram groups, but Instagram, Pinterest. But I don't even do that anymore. I have somebody post for me. So you can come in here and type in post on Facebook, or you can create a job like I did. You basically create a job for somebody, and they will basically, you know, they can manage your pages and they can constantly post for you. So instead of you having to do work and you know, posting on Facebook groups, you know, is not required. You can come in and pay for somebody to do this. You can tell them exactly how you want your ad to look. So you can have somebody post in, will promote your post in 500K and 100K groups. You can tell them you want the groups to be internet marketing based. So you want to get people who want to make money online, and you want to post in those groups, and you want to tell them about this app. You don't want to tell them up front what the app is. You just want to say this app paid me $5. Well, these two apps, if you promote these two apps at the same time, you can earn $10. So you can just say these two apps paid me $10 just for linking a card, which is true. With Pay and Dash, you get $10 when you link a card. You can do the same. You can say this app paid me $10 to link a card. These two apps paid me $10 to link a card. The only thing you have to do is link the same card to both of them. If you want more information, inbox me on Facebook. They are out there going into these groups promoting that, and when people are interested, they're going to post info. They come over to your inbox, which is basically your inbox on Facebook. They ask for more information. You send them your link. They sign up. You get paid. I know it sounds like people think it's too good to be true, but I actually have students that are making over $500 a month doing this. And if you break that down, that's a little bit over $100 a week. What's an extra $500 a month? What can an extra $500 a month, help you with right now? Think about your bills. Think about what you got going on. I have the two apps that I'm making free PayPal money with right now. Two apps. You know, they just see it right here. More cash back from Pay. You know, just, you know, another PayPal payment. We're going to dismiss that right now because we're talking about this. But like I said, simple as that. You want to make the PayPal money. You want to constantly put free PayPal money in your PayPal account. This is the exact way to do it. I gave you all the information you need, and it's like the short 10-minute video because I'm getting ready to end it. I have other things to do. I have other businesses to run. Like I said, I wasn't going to do another video, but I just had to show this to you guys. Go ahead and sign up for Pay. And if you haven't signed up for Dash, sign up for Dash as well. And then, as a matter of fact, I'll leave the video that shows the whole method I actually post in the group and show you how you're supposed to say it, how you're supposed to set it up. So I'll actually leave a link to that video in the description box below, so you can just click that and go over and watch me actually post in a group, so you can actually see it live. So I'll leave that link in the description below. You can go over there and watch that video. But there you go, two apps that's paying free PayPal money right now. You make the choice to go and start making money with these websites and these apps. I got it all for you guys. Shows you a way. I even shows you a way to be lazy to get somebody to do it for you, like I do. Really simple. It's up to you. And I don't even give away this information. As I most of the time when I do this stuff, I think to myself, I'm gonna keep this to myself. But if you guys are not making money and you're following me, I just don't feel I can live with myself. If I'm not showing you the exact ways to make money online, then I don't know, I just really can't sleep. So, for me being like an honest dude, you know what I'm saying, just actually putting you guys up on game, as we say in the hood, just putting you up guys on game, what's working. So if you guys really want to go out there and do this, you have to go out there and hustle. You have to go out there and put in the work. So I don't share this for you guys to be average. I share this for you guys to make money. I want you guys to make money, for real. Nothing makes me happier when somebody comes and says, "Yo, Joffrey, you helped me make 500. You helped me make. I can't even say it right now, but you helped me get to $500 a month." Nothing makes me more happier inside and brings more joy to my heart when I've helped somebody make money online. So, that's my whole goal. That's all I got for you guys. Comment your goals in the description, not in the description, but in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I'm all over the place right now. Didn't want to do another video, but peace out. You guys have a nice day. Go out there and make that free PayPal money. Peace out.